In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a page in Coda so you can keep your documents clean, organized, and free from clutter. Coda is a powerful all-in-one document platform that blends documents, spreadsheets, and apps, and managing your pages efficiently is key to maintaining a smooth workflow. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Before we jump into the actual deletion, let's talk about what this action really means for your document. Deleting a page in Coda will remove that page and all of its contents from your document permanently. This includes any text, tables, images, embedded content, and even any child pages nested underneath it, depending on your document's structure. So it's absolutely critical that you're certain you no longer need that information. Unlike some other tools, Coda doesn't have a traditional trash or recycle bin in every plan. So once it's gone, it might be gone for good. Take a moment to think, is there data in tables, formulas, or connected content that relies on this page? If there's any doubt, I'd recommend you duplicate the page or copy the content elsewhere before deleting it. This is the single most important precaution you can take, and it will save you from accidentally losing hours of work. Alright, let's begin the process. First, open your web browser and navigate to coda.io. You'll be greeted by the sign-in screen. Go ahead and sign in using whatever method you prefer, whether that's your Google account, your Apple ID, or your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Coda home screen where all your documents are listed. Take your time to locate the specific document that contains the page you want to delete. Scroll through your recent documents or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of them. Click on that document's name to open it, and you'll see the document's main canvas or dashboard. Now that you're inside your document, look to the upper left corner of the screen right next to the document's name. You'll see a small icon that looks like a stack of horizontal lines or a list symbol. That's the Show Pages icon. Click on it and the page navigation panel will slide open on the left side of your screen. This panel shows you a tree-like hierarchy of all the pages within your document, including any subpages nested under parent pages. It's a really useful view for understanding the structure of your document, and it's exactly where we'll do our deletion. With the page panel open, browse through the list and locate the page you wish to remove. If your document has many pages, you can scroll through them, or if you know the page's name, you can quickly find it by scanning. Once you've found it, hover your cursor over the page name in the panel. You'll notice that as you hover, a three-dot menu icon, sometimes called an ellipsis, appears to the right of the page name. That subtle change is your cue that more options are available. Go ahead and click those three dots. A small context menu will pop up with several actions you can take on that page. Among the options, you'll see Delete Page. It might be near the bottom of the list, often under other actions like Duplicate, Rename, or Move To. Click on Delete Page. Coda will immediately ask you to confirm your choice with a pop-up dialog box. This confirmation step is your last safety net. The dialog will typically say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this page?" and remind you that the action cannot be undone in most cases. Click the confirmation button, usually labeled Delete or Yes, and just like that, the page disappears from your document. The navigation panel updates instantly, and the page is removed from your structure. Once the page is deleted, take a moment to review what's left. Look over the remaining pages in the panel. Does your document still make sense? Are all the pages you need still there? If you have links or cross-references that pointed to the deleted page, those will now be broken. So it's a good idea to double-check any areas of your document that might have relied on that page. This quick review ensures that your document remains coherent and that you haven't accidentally removed anything critical. Let me leave you with a few pro tips to make your page management even smoother. First, always double-check the page before you delete it. Open the page in the main canvas and look at its contents, especially any tables or connected blocks, so you're 100% sure it's safe to remove. Second, get into the habit of organizing your pages regularly. A clean document is much easier to navigate, and it helps you avoid accidentally deleting the wrong page. Third, use descriptive and unique page names. Instead of notes, try weekly review notes, batch or October. When pages are clearly named, you can identify them at a glance in the panel, which reduces errors. And finally, if a page contains important content that you might need later, consider moving or copying the information elsewhere in your document before pulling the trigger. You could even create an archive page where you stash old content. That way you never truly lose anything. And that's it. You now know exactly how to delete a page in Coda and keep your documents tidy. This simple cleanup habit can radically improve your productivity and make finding what you need a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, please save the video or come back to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.